In progress.
Jai Shri Mataji, everyone. Let's put our hands together and humbly bow down, seeking permission for this meditation and humble request for guidance through the meditation to achieve our thoughtless and doubtless awareness states in our meditation today. Let's raise our kundalinis and put ourselves in a bandhan. Let's put both our hands towards Mother Earth and say the mantra for Shri Adi Bhumi Devi. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Adi Bhumi Devi Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Let's bring our left hand onto our lap. Move our attention to the left Muladhara. Shri Mataji, you who are Shri Nirmal Ganesh, please let your lotus feet be established on my left Muladhara. Mother, I am innocent. Let's continue meditation on the left channel.
देवराज्य सेव्यमान पावनाग्रि पंकजम् व्यालयज्ञसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरम् नारदादियोगिवृन्दवन्दितं दिगम्बरम् काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। भानुकोटिभास्वरं भवाब्धितारकं परम् नीलकण्ठमीप्सितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनम् कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। दण्डपाणिमादिकारणम् श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरं निरामयम् भीमविक्रमं प्रभुविचित्रताण्डवप्रियं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। मुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहम् भक्तवत्सलं स्थितं समस्तलोकविग्रहम् विनिक्वणन् मनोज्ञहेमकिङ्किणं लसत्कृतिं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। धर्मसेतुपालकं त्वधर्ममार्गनाशकम् कर्मपाशमोचकं सुशर्मदायकं विभुम् स्वर्णवर्णशेषपाशशोभिताङ्गमण्डलं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। रत्नपादुकाप्रभाभिरामपादयुग्मकम् नित्यमद्वितीयमिष्टदैवतं निरञ्जनम् मृत्युदर्पनाशनं करालदष्टमोक्षणं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। पद्मजाण्डकोशसन्ततिम् दृष्टिपातनष्टपापजालमुग्रशासनम् अष्टसिद्धिदायकं कपालमालिकन्धरं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। भूतसङ्घनायकं विशालकीर्तिदायकम् काशीवासलोकपुण्यपापशोधकं विभुम् नीतिमार्गगोविन्दं पुरातनं जगत्पतिं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। कालभैरवाष्टकं पठन्ति ये मनोहरम् विनाशनं विचित्रपुण्यवर्धनम् शोकमोहदैन्यलोभकोपतापनाशनं ते प्रयान्ति कालभैरवाग्रिसन्धिते ध्रुवम् काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे इति श्रीमच्छङ्कराचार्य विरचितं श्रीकालभैरवाष्टकं स्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम् साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Let's bring our right hand onto our lap. Move our attention to the center Muladhara. Shri Mataji, you who are Shri Ganesha Gauri, the Adi Kundalini, I surrender to you again and again. Mother, please establish the innocence and wisdom of Shri Ganesha within me. Through the central channel, let's move our attention towards the Sahasrara, requesting Mother Kundalini to awaken within us, to cleanse our channels and our energy centers. With all our desire, one request and the one desired, Mother, to please open my Sahasrara. Mother, please come in my Sahasrara. Let me feel the joy of moksha, the union with the divine. Please accept my surrender again and again. Let's move our left hand to the Mother Earth. Move our attention to the right Muladhara. We say the mantra for Sri Kartikeya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kartikeya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Mother, please let me be worthy of your attention, of your appreciation, of your love. Mother, you are the destroyer of all the devils and demons. You are Sarva Rakshasa Hantri. Please destroy all the evil within me. Please remove all the hindrances to my ascent. Let's raise our left hand towards the ether. We'll balance our right side for a little while.
Shri Hanuman Chalisa. Shri Guru Charana Sarojara Rajal Nija Manamu Kura Sudhani Barano Ragubara Bimala Jasu Jodayaku Palachari Udi Natanu Janike Sumera Pavana Kumar Balabudi Vidya Dehu Mohi Harahu Kale Savika Jaya Hanumana Jnana Guna Sagar Jaya Kapi Shati Hum Log Aujag Ramaduta Tulipa Baladama Anjani Putra Pavana Sutana Mahavira Vikram Bajarangi Kumati Nivara Sumati Kesangi Kanchara Varana Viraja Subesa Kanana Kundala Kumchita Kesa Hatta Bajra Orat Vaja Viraje Kande Munjajani Usaj Shankara Suvana Kesari Nanda Teja Pratapa Maha Jagavan Vidyavana Guni Atichato Ramakaja Kari Beko Ato Abucharita Suni Beko Rasia Ramalakana Sita Manabasiya Sukshmarupa Dhari Siya Hindikava Vikatarupa Dhari Lankajara Bhimarupa Dhari Asura Samhare Ramachandra Ki Kaja Samhare Saya Sanjivana Lakana Jiyaye Shri Raghubira Harashiyuralai Raghupati ki himata batai Tumma mama priya bharatai samabai Asavadana tumaro yasagava Asakahi Shripati Kantalaga Sanakadika Brahmadi Muniza Narada Shaharada Sahitahis Yama Kubera Rikapajagahante Kabiko Vida Kahi Sake Kahante Tumma Upakara Sugriva Hinkina Rama Milaya Rajapadarina Tumaro Mantra Vibhishana Mana Lankeshvaravaya Savajagajan Yuga Sahasra Yoho Jana Parabhano Tahi Madhura Palajan Prabhu Mudrika Meli Mukamahe Jalari Lange Gahe Achara Janahe Durga Mata Kata Ke Jete Sogamanu Graha Tumare Tete Ramduari Tumhara Kawari Kotana Gya Vino Pesai Sab Sukala Hai Tumhari Sharana Tumhara Kshaka Kahu Ko Dharana Apana Tejas Samaro Ape Tino Lokahan Katenkampe Prishacha Nikatana Hinave Mahavira Javanama Sonave Nasiru Gahare Sabapira Japatani Rantana Hanumatavir Sankatate Hanumana Churave Manakrama Bhajana Jnana Yola Savaparamata Pasviraja Tina Kehikaja Sakala Tumasaja Ora Manorata Joy Koilave Soe Amila Jivana Palapave Charum Yuga Paratapa Tumhar He Parasita Jagata Ujriya Sadhu Santa Ki Tumhara Kawari Asura Nikandana Ramadulari Asta Siddhi Navanidhi Ke Data Asavaradina Janaki Mata Rama Rasayara Tumhare Pasa Sada Raho Raghupati Ke Dasa Tumhare Bhajan Rama Ko Pave Jamana Janama Ki Dukha Bisavari Antakala Raghuvara Pura Jaye Rahan Jamma Hari Bhakta Kahai Ora Devata Chitana Dharai Hanumata Se Sarva Sukha Karai Sankathakate Mite Savapira Jasu Mere Hanumata Balavira Jai 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 Hanumana Gosai Kripa Karahu Gurudeva Kinai Jo Satabara Patha Kara Koi Chutahim Bande Mahasukha Hoy Joya Hai Pare Hanumana Chalisa Hoya Siri Saki Gauris vidas sada harichera ki jai nath hridaya mandira Pavanatanaya Sankadarana Mantramurati Ramalakana Sita Sahita Hridaye Basaru Surabhu Hi everyone, thank you for listening. If you'd like to listen more, you can get my album
Bring both our hands onto our lap and attention on the Sahasrara.
Shri
But first of all, people do not understand that you have to work it through your heart and not through your brain. When we have to work out things through our brain, we try to develop our brain, isn't it? By memorizing, by practicing something, teaching our brain how to think, how to go this way, that way. We try to train our brain. Now we have to train our heart in Sahaja Yoga. And to train our heart in Sahaja Yoga, one has to know first of all that it is enveloped either by ego or by superego. The limbic area actually represents the heart. And if there is ego, heart will always be so-called. It will not be the real heart that will be working, but it's only mental projection. And you will feel that I'm doing it from my heart. That's not. Now then, supposing what should we do if you have ego? You might say you should try to sort of tell yourself that that's not good and this and that and all kinds of mental suggestions or auto-suggestions or the way psychiatrists know that give you suggestions. That's again mental. So that's not the way it is going to work out. We must understand that for that what we have to do is to raise the left side and put it to the right side. There's no other way out. You have to just work it out with your hands. Your hands are working it out and not your brain. So use your hands and the methods of Sahaja Yoga. Now, everyone must have a regular sitting in the water every day. That's important. Every morning you must do your meditation. You have to know that Sahaja Yoga is to be worked out. It is not to be thought out. You just cannot think about it. Whatever you may try to do through your thought, you cannot achieve any results in Sahaja Yoga. You have to use your hands, you have to use your feet, you have to soak your feet in the water because water is the ocean. All these 5 chakras, or say 6 chakras, which are, I say 5, because one is the Muladhara Chakra, which is the 7th, and the topmost is the brain. So in between 5 chakras which are there are to be handled fully with the idea that they are basically made of matter. And these 5 elements constitute the body of these chakras. Now these chakras, if they are to be corrected, we have to correct them by taking out all the problems of these chakras into the elements from which they come. For example, a person who is a very right-sided person, so he has to give a balance by the left side. Of course, raising with the hand is all right, but what about the element? Right-sided person has all the elements which give heat. You can say the light, we can say the fire. So for people who are right-sided, the light is not going to help much. Like if you put the light before the photograph, and those who are ego-oriented people, if you just use the light, it's not going to work out. So what is going to work out is the Mother Earth and the water element, which is cooling. Even ice is very helpful to people who are right-sided. So all cooling effects should be used for correcting your right-sidedness so that you cool it down. Same about food. In food, those who are right-sided people should take to foods which are left-sided, that is carbohydrates, means they should become partly vegetarians or quite a lot of vegetarians, and should eat things at the most like chicken, but not fishes, not seafoods, because they are all hot. That's how you treat your material side of your chakras. Now the left-sided people should use again the Deepa, means the light or the fire, to correct their left side. Also in food, such people should take more to nitrogenous, means protein, and foods like that. They should take more proteins. Now, as far as Sahaja is concerned, the basic thing is Kundalini. And the Kundalini, as I have told you, is the pure desire. Again, listen to it carefully, pure desire. That means all other desires are impure. There's only one pure desire, and that is to be one with the divine, one with the Brahma, one with God. That's the only pure desire. All other
Mother, you who are Sri Avalokiteshwari, the all-knowing, please dissolve all superficiality in me. Let me grow in my depth, surrendered to my spirit, at your lotus feet.
This Kundalini is up there. Alright, how far? Now give bandhan, I think the best is. Give bandhan to yourself. One.
Just so you get some water.
There's no need to raise. First you must raise your Kundalini and then you must do bandhan. Already there, up there.
Ihr müsst zuerst die Kundalini heben und dann bandern. Außerdem ist die Kundalini schon oben und schon fixiert.
Already there. But always I see that you people give the bandhan first and then raise the Kundalini. No, first raise the Kundalini and then give a bandhan. Means you reach that state and then raise the bandhan.
Ich sehe immer, dass ihr zuerst das Bandern gebt und dann die Kundalini aufhebt. Ihr müsst das umgekehrt machen. Weil es gehört zuerst die Kundalini aufgehoben, dann ist man in dem Stadium, wo man Bandern geben kann.
Also when you bow down, you have to be properly put both your hands like this when you bow down. Not like this, not like that, but like this. And put your forehead again on the mother, not your head, not your sister. So you close into your sister.
Wenn ihr euch vor mir verneigt, wenn ihr das Namaskar macht, dann müsst ihr die Hände ganz offen mit den Handflächen nach oben legen. Nicht so oder so, sondern voneinander entfernt mit den Handflächen nach oben. Und die Stirne auf den Boden und nicht das Sahasrara, die Stirne auf den Boden.
Yeah.
So.
See. Some of you feeling here, now put it up like that also. That's it. Now see. Some of you feel it here. Take it out like that. On the right side, right hand. Now. Such a long foot.
Let's humbly bow down and thank Shri Mataji for the opportunity of this morning's meditation. Thank you everyone for your vibrational presence. Have a beautiful day. Jai Shri Mataji.